Alright guys, this will be the card trick tutorial and review video for the four questions, two cards card trick we taught today at Magic Camp on Wednesday. And first I'll do the performance, and then I'll show you how to do it. So I've got my deck of cards here. Give the cards a mix, give them some cuts, just like this, and some more cuts. And I need Steven to pick two cards, any two cards that are next to each other. Just point to any two cards next to each other. Those two right here. Okay, go ahead, take those cards out. Alright. Just make sure that the camera can see them. Alright, just place them down right here, face down. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can ask the deck 4 questions and see if I can find out what your two cards are. So first, I'm going to ask ask what color your cards are, or one of your cards is. So color, C-O-L-O-R. Alright, so color. And it looks like one of your cards is a black card. But that's nothing too impressive. I mean, come on, there's like half red, half black, so that's pretty likely. So let's see, if I can find what the value of your card is, or what number it is. So let's see, a number, N-U-M-B-E-R. Number, it's a 10, a black 10. Is that correct? One of them is a black 10. So the question is it a 10 of clubs or the 10 of spades? So we need to know what the answer is. What suit is it? What's the answer? So A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. It is a spade. So there's a black 10 of spades is one of your cards, and the match to the 10 of spades is, let's see, M-A-T-C-H. The match to your card is the 10 of clubs. So let's see, is one of your cards the 10 of spades? It is, in fact, one of the cards is the 10 of spades. So get rid of the rest of the deck here. But the thing is that I've already asked my 4 questions, but we still have to find another card. Well, maybe since I asked what color your card was here, let's see. Maybe if we flip this pack over, we can try to find what your second card was. So the color of your second card must have been red. Is that correct? Okay. So let's see. What's the number or the value? It's a 7, red 7. So is it 7 of hearts or 7 of diamonds? What's the answer? What suit is it? So it's a heart. So it is a red 7 of hearts. That means that the match to the 7 of hearts would be the 7 of diamonds, and your second card was in fact the 7 of hearts. Alright, so to do this trick, you just need to set the deck up, and I'll put a link in the tutorial, the link in the description to how to do that. Basically, what you want to do is after you've done the trick, you want to pick up the bottom. You have the piles like this, and you want to take the bottom card, the face down card on the bottom of each pile, and flip it over, place it on the top. And you want to do that. And then you want to pick up the cards in order from the color pile to the match pile. So you want to take the color pile, then you want to put the number pile on top of that, and then you want to put the answer or the suit pile on top of that, and then put the match card pile on top of that. So this is just to reset the deck after you've done the trick, and then you're going to want to take the rest of the cards that you have here, and you're going to want to place those on top of these. And now you've got your two selected cards from the spectator, and you're going to want to take the card that is 3 more than the card on the bottom of the deck, place that down, and then take the next card. So place that down. And now you have a stacked deck. I'll put a link to this in the description on how to stack your deck if that didn't work for you. It's called the Stebbins stack. You can do a lot of cool tricks with this, but so once you've stacked the deck, the spectators can, or whoever's watching, can cut the deck as much as they like. They can, as long as they complete the cut, and they cut it in half, and they just complete it. So once you're ready to go, you just ask the spectator to pick any 2 cards, and from here it's basically self-working, except, yeah, you want them to pick any 2 cards that are next to each other. So let's say they choose these 2, and where they selected those 2 cards, you want to split the deck in half, and then place the half of the deck that was below those cards on top. So just basically cut the cards. So they picked these 2 cards, and then you want to place these cards on the bottom on top, just like that. And then, so in this case, the 2 cards are the Jack of Diamonds and the Ace of Clubs. And from here, the trick is just self-working. So you first spell out color, except make sure you don't reverse the order when you do this. You just want to spell it out. Don't deal down, just count it out. So it's color, you'd say, what's the color of one of your cards? So you'd say COLOR, and you place those cards down, and then deal down the next card. So one of your cards must have been a black card, which it is. There's an ace of clubs right here. And then you say, we need to know what the value or the number of your card is. So you spell out number, just do the same thing. Don't deal them down. So you say NUMBER, what's the number? And you deal on the next card after that. It's an ace, so it's a black ace, which it is. And now you say, we need to know if it's the ace of spades or the ace of clubs. So we need to know what the answer is, or what the suit, or the answer. So you spell out answer, 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 and then you place those cards down, deal on the next card, and it's a club. So you know it's a black ace of clubs, which it is. And then you say the match to the ace of clubs would be the ace of spades. So let's spell out match, MATCH. Place those down, and the next card is the ace of spades. And then you've used up all 4 of your questions, so you can just say, let's see if we can figure this out. And you just flip over the color pile, and you say, well, your second card must have been a red card. And then the number, it must have been a red jack. And is it a jack of hearts or jack of diamonds? Well, the answer is diamonds. It is a jack of diamonds. And the match to the jack of diamonds is the jack of hearts. So you can see that it worked. It should work every time as long as you follow the method and the steps that I told you guys. If that was your favorite trick, be sure to practice it a lot. It's a tough one, especially with the stack, with the long stack deck. And just be sure to practice it a lot for the magic show on Friday. So see you guys next time.